Hey guys, Assalamu alaikum. So it's been a long time since I was in front of the camera. Hopefully I'm back with my another video, and this topic is kind of not similar to the topics that I discussed previously. So today I'm going to talk about some English loanwords which is originated from the Arabic language. So I'm going to talk about specifically 10 words. There's loads of them, but I can't discuss them in one video. So I'm going to talk about 10 loan words in English which originate from the Arabic language, and they are called loan words. You may wonder, if you don't know the meaning of loan words, what's a loan word? So a loan word is a word that is adopted from a language into another language without even translating. Without translation. So that's called a loan word. So English has got several loan words, not only from the Arabic origin. They have also got from Asian languages, specifically Indian. They have got several of them, French, Spanish. But we're going to talk about the Arabic ones today, 10 words. So let's get started. The first word is Azure, and in the American accent, Azure. So this azure means a bright blue color, like in a cloudless sky, okay? In a clear day, when there's no cloud in the sky, that color is the azure color. Okay, so we're not gonna say color because azure means a bright blue color. So that's just redundancy. For instance, the once azure skies of Athens have been ruined by the atmospheric pollution. So let's move on to the next one. So the next one, the second one is a vegetable, and it's called artichoke. This one, I'm going to show you the picture of it. You can see it here, and you can say it's fruit. It doesn't grow in this Asian countries, but it's an European plant, a vegetable to be specific. And this one, you can say, purple or blonde color. I don't know, but yeah, this artichoke word is from the Arabic origin. So the third one is a plant, which is tarragon. It's also known as estragon in some places. This tarragon is more like a herb, it's used for medical purposes. So it's known as tarragon. I'm showing you the picture of it. So just, remember the name tarragon. The fourth one is Arsenal. You may think that this Arsenal is a name of a football team, but no, it has got a whole different meaning rather than a football team. So this Arsenal means that a building full of weapons and military equipments. Where they are stored. So that's called Arsenal. For an example, the army was planning to attack the enemy arsenals. So they were planning to attack the enemy arsenals. So here, arsenal is a place or a building where different kind of weapons and military equipments are stored. So that's it. The next one is a fish, which is tuna. I'm just gonna show you the picture of it. I don't know what definition to give you. I guess showing you the pictures, pictures were the 1,000 words. So yeah, this might help you. Like, this fish is known as tuna in English. The next word is a high rank in the navy or of a fleet, which is admiral. Admiral. For an example, you can say that admiral and the name. It's a rank, so we can say Admiral Nelson or some name after that. I'll give you another example, which is he was picked by the admiral. Handpicked by the admiral. So he was handpicked by the admiral. That means that he was chosen by the admiral. So that's a high rank in the navy or of a fleet. Okay. So then let's move on to the next one. And this next one is a fruit, which is an apricot. And just pronounce after me, apricot and apricot. So this apricot is, I'm showing you the picture, and yeah, the definition would be a fruit with a soft skin, furry skin, with a pale orange color. See the pale orange color of it? So that's known as an apricot. That's a fruit, okay? and it's also round and small. That's known as an apricot. The next one is carmine in the British accent, or also carmine. I prefer this one. This is like fast and easier than the carmine. Carmine or carmine. Okay, I prefer carmine. So this carmine means a vivid crimson color, crimson red. So for an example, like you can say carmine, or in the American accent, carmine roses. I mean, they're of red color, so you can say carmine. That's the synonym kind of thing, like crimson. Crimson is also another word from the Arabic language, so it's also a loan word in English. Another loan word in English from the Arabic origin is orange. We all know that what orange is. This is a fruit also. So orange is from the Arabic language. Orange is a loan word in English. And the last one, but not the least, the 10th one, the last one that I will discuss in this video is gazelle, which is an animal, as you all can see that. And I guess you all are familiar with this animal, right? Because it's also an Asian, animal, which is found in mostly grasslands, deserts. You can also find them in the savannas of Africa. So yeah, this animal is quite familiar. Am I right? So that was it. So today we talked about 10 loan words in English, which are basically originated from the Arabic language. Actually, the way that the Arabs pronounce it is not the way we use it in English. It's the pronunciation and the spelling is a lot different than the Arabs. And it's like when the English people borrow a word from a different language, they make it their own way. I mean, they pronounce it and spell it the way they like it for the first time, and everyone just mimics that. So that's it, and that's how loan words are, like from you adopt it from one language to another language. And if you don't have the word in your language, then you just you match it with a family word in your language with the new word, and you add them together, and then you make a sound that is already familiar to you. That's how a loan word is actually formed. That's what, from my point of view. Yeah, that's all, and I hope you learned a lot of vocabulary from this video, like 10 new vocabularies. And yeah, one task for you guys: if you know any loan words, maybe it's from the Arabic language, or it can be from French, Spanish, or Dutch, just write them in the comment section. If you know like several of them, just write down the word in the comment section. I'll see them later. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Assalamu alaikum.